everyone. We've had quite a lot of requests from people saying they want to see what our clinic looks like. They want to see all aspects of it and where we work, how we work. So today's video is going to be a walkthrough of our facility. I'm Dr. Aniketh Venkataram at the Venkat Center for Skin, ENT and Plastic Surgery, Bangalore. And today, let's take a look at our plastic surgery center located in Vijayanagar, Bangalore. So starting from the outside, this is our entrance. This is a picture of a sculpture in Bangalore and Halebeedu, which is of a remarkable statue of a lady admiring herself in the mirror. And on top of that, you can see our motto, expertise, experience, and ethics. Let us take a look inside. So as we come inside, this is our reception area. You can see everything is in our clinic colors. This is our front office staff. Our front office staff is very important to our clinic. They are the link between the doctors and the patients, and they help take the patient through all aspects of the procedure. And on this notice board, we have our latest announcements, latest publications, etc. Now going further into the consultation rooms. This is Dr. Diksha's consultation room for ENT. You can see her microscope over there. And this is where all our ENT procedures are done. You can see our vast library of books as well. Moving further, we move towards the main consultation room, which is where I sit. So this is literally my home away from home, where I see all my patients. And being a large room, we also use this for our training sessions. When we have hair transplant or other training camps, all the doctors get together here for seminars and lectures. As you can see, this is my desk, and viewers familiar with our YouTube channel will also make out that this is where I shoot all my YouTube videos. And this is where we take our pre and post-op photos. So if you've seen a purple background in our pre and post-op photos, you'll know that this is where that is from. Continuing on, this is a small decoration of all the conferences that I've attended. And this is a collage of all the doctors that I've visited and learned from. I owe all these men so much. So these doctors are some of the plastic surgeons that I've trained under. And surgical training is a very important field wherein you need to learn from the best. You need to spend time with the best in the world. And all of these gentlemen have been so gracious to me, and I've learned so much from them. And whatever success I have, I owe a lot of that to them. This is our small procedure chair where we do a lot of Botox and fillers and other procedures. This is a photo I wanted to show. It's from my undergraduation. And if you can see, I am right over there. This was taken back in 2010. Now, continuing our tour, we make our way back out of my room and back into the waiting area. Here you can see a small collage of some of the facilities we offer. And then from the waiting area, we move towards the operation theatre side. So this is the operation theatre side of our facility. Obviously, we keep it separate from the waiting area. This is another small waiting area. This is our patient room, where our patient stays before and after surgery. So he has a comfortable chair to relax, a bed to recover from, and TV to watch. And also you can see a small collage of some of the things that we do. There is also a restroom where patients can even shower. We have a lot of patients who, when they come for their dressings after their surgery, they feel groggy, and a shower is the best thing to help them feel better. Moving ahead, we go on towards the operation room. And here we see a doctor's lounge. This is where we take rest in between cases while we're waiting for the next case to get started. And here we come to a dressing room. This is the room where we do our dressings. We do small procedures such as PRP, we do suture removals, and you see one more photography background here to take our pre and post-op photos. There in the center you can see the centrifuge machine that we use for our PRP. Now we enter the operation theaters themselves, and as we enter, there are two operation theaters. On the left we have the hair transplant operation theater. So this is where we perform our hair transplant surgeries. That is the patient bed with the surgeons operate at the head end, and there's a television where the patient watches movies during the procedure. You can see our trolleys and carts with all our emergency materials. So these contain emergency drugs, they contain a defibrillator, they contain everything in the event of any complication. So while all the surgeries we do are very safe, you need to always be prepared. So this is one thing I wanted to highlight, that a properly equipped operation theater is a very important thing for any surgery. And this is where, if you don't do your research, things can be lacking. Many times surgeries are done by unqualified individuals, sadly, especially when it comes to hair transplant surgery. Hair transplant surgery is a minor procedure. It is not a major surgery, but it is still a surgery. So all precautions have to be taken. It needs to be done by qualified professionals in a well-equipped operation theater with all backups for your safety. If you try to cut costs and go to some place that is not qualified for it, you can end up compromising on these aspects, and there should never be any compromise on your safety. And the other half of the operation theater is the dissection stations, where all our nurses dissect our grafts. This is a video microscope where Dr. Venkat dissects the grafts himself, and they are arranged and prepared by our nurses. Now moving into the other operation theater, which is the plastic surgery theater. This is where we perform liposuction and other plastic surgeries. You can see one of our nursing staff. Hello, sister.
Hi, sir.
So our nursing staff is one of the most important parts of our operating facility. Without good nurses, you cannot do anything. And here you can see our devices. This is the micro air machine for liposuction. This is our in-mode body tightening device. And here you can see our general anesthesia workstation. So again, in any surgical facility, while the doctor might be the face and the person that you see, the nursing staff is equally as important. And we are blessed to have some of the best nurses anywhere. Our nurses have been with us for almost 15 years now. They are very well experienced in all aspects of both surgery and patient care. And they go above and beyond in making sure that our patients have a pleasant experience. And without them, we would not be able to do everything that we do. Then apart from the machines themselves, you can see the rows and rows of all our surgical instruments. So these are all categorized and arranged as per the surgery that they're used for. And in this OT, you'll find one of my most favorite things, our Amazon Alexa speaker. Now, coming towards the back end of the OT, which most patients do not see, this is our utility area. That is our autoclave machine where we sterilize all our instruments. This is where the surgeon scrub and all our instruments are washed. So you can see everything has a process. Sterilization, disinfection, OT layout, everything is important to ensure a good patient outcome. So the way the OTs are designed, the way they are separated from the rest of the complex, the way the doors are arranged, the way airflow is maintained, these are all important components to any surgical practice, any surgical facility to ensure good outcomes. And now, coming out of the OT complex, we go back towards the reception area. So that is pretty much the tour of our plastic surgery facility. You can see here some of our awards and accolades. I would like to end this tour by showing you our motto, which is expertise, experience, and ethics. This is not just a catchphrase for us. This is what we stand by, and we try to bring this in every aspect of everything that we do. I hope you enjoyed this patient walkthrough video. Do feel free to get in touch with us to let us know what are the kinds of videos you would like. Our information is in the description. Do comment on this video, subscribe to our channel, Thank you and have a great day.